everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video for you guys, and in this video right here I'm going to be showing you guys my entire luxury bag collection. Okay, so I've done a video like this before, but I only showed my Louis Vuitton bags, and I do have other bags in my collection and other designers, so I definitely want to go ahead and show you guys my entire collection. Now, I don't have a large collection. I feel like I have a small collection, but the amount of bags that I have, which is 12, is enough for me. I don't see myself really going past this amount because I wouldn't call myself a bag collector. I'm a bag wearer. I don't believe in just having bags sitting on the shelf. I want to be able to rotate all of my bags out because these bags are expensive and I didn't buy them just for them to sit on the shelf, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all of my bags and just tell you guys how I use them and how I feel about the bags. I'll also include links to all the bags in the description bar if I am able to find links for you guys. Of course, if you guys love these type of videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with this Gucci Marmont right here. This is the mini and it is the vertical version. It did come out last fall. And I use this bag a lot. I use it for errands where I'm just going to be in and out of the car and I don't have too much to do. I love this bag. This will be a forever bag in my collection unless I decide to get a bigger Marmont. I'm currently using this bag now, and as you see, you get some decent room in here. You can put a card case, keys, phones, and it's just a really great bag for errand running. It comes with this gold strap. Of course, it's not adjustable. I've had this bag, I don't know for how long, but it's been quite some time and I've worn it a lot. And the wear and tear on this bag is really nice as well. I barely have any wear and tear and all on this bag. I mean, you can see a few little marks or whatever, but for the most part, there isn't much wear and tear on this bag. So I absolutely love this bag. And like I said, it's not going to leave my collection unless I do get a bigger black Gucci bag. Other than that, it will stay in my collection. Next up, we have my velvet Gucci Marmont small. And this is another bag that I really love. This is my favorite color, so I had to get this color. I really love it. And again, you have that gold hardware. You do have your leather strap, which is adjustable. And, you know, we're not going to get into too much detail, but you are going to get that red interior with this bag. You're going to get plenty of room for your essentials or more. I wear this bag for running errands, going to the grocery store, or this will be a good bag to wear like on a date night or to dinner or something like that. And I really love this bag, and the color goes with so many different things, and it really does add a pop of color to your outfit if you do have on just one color. And one thing I will say about this bag is initially I thought that it would be something that I would be afraid to wear and, you know, that it will get messed up. But I mean, I pretty much wear this bag like normal and I don't have any issues with it. Of course, if it was raining or something like that, I wouldn't wear it on a rainy day. For the most part, this bag is fairly durable. I've worn this bag quite a bit and I don't have any wear or tear or anything like that. And I did purchase this bag off Pochmark. It was brand new and it still looks as good as it looked the day that I got it, and I have worn it quite a bit. So I cannot say without a shadow of a doubt that I wouldn't sell this bag. There are a lot of bags that are made in this color, and if I see something else that I think I may want, I may possibly sell this bag, but I am not 100% sure, okay? Next up, we have my pink Gucci Marmont, which I just did a video on this bag earlier this week. And this bag right here is another one of my favorites. It's the current bag that I'm wearing more than any bag in my collection. I've already done a review on this bag, and like I said in my review, the only thing I don't like is the color transfer. I have gotten some color transfer with this bag, but I think that this is a very beautiful color. Again, something that can add a pop of color to your wardrobe. Also, you do get a lot of space in here. You know, you can fit your essentials and more items as well. If you guys want to check out my full review on this bag, I'll go ahead and link that for you guys. You have that beautiful silver hardware, which is a nice touch to the Marmont bag. So yeah, this is one of my favorite Marmont bags. Next up, we have this Gucci bag right here, and this is the Gucci Soho flat bag. This bag right here, I can see this being a forever bag in my collection unless I just get tired of the color red, but this is my only red bag, so I highly doubt that that would happen. But I did purchase this bag from the Gucci outlet store here in Georgia, and I absolutely love it. It has a flap, and the flap is easy to get in and out of, and it closes easily on its own. You can get this bag on the Preloved market for like $800, $900 in excellent condition, but I paid that same amount for it brand new in the outlet store. So, you know, I think it's worth trying to see if they have it in your local outlet store. The inside of this bag is beautiful. You get that beautiful beige interior, and you also get two pockets on the inside. This is just a gorgeous bag. It's easy to wear. You can wear it with anything, jeans, a dress. You can wear it with black, hunter green, tons of colors you can wear this with. I really love it. And even though it's a little small, thin bag, you still can fit quite a bit in it because it is fairly wide. Now, this bag does not have an adjustable strap, so you will get this chain strap. Now, another thing that I like about this bag is that the chain on this bag is like silver looking, but it's gold. So it's like a very, very light gold. You can wear whatever jewelry you want to wear with it without it clashing because it can pretty much go with silver and gold. So yeah, I don't think that this bag will be leaving my collection because I really love it and I grabbed for it a lot. And this was definitely a good buy for this bag, and this bag comes in many other colors. Next up, we have another Gucci Marmont bag, and this is my favorite Gucci Marmont bag. This is the Gucci Marmont shoulder bag in the color Mystic White. They call it white, but this is really a beige slash cream color. This is my absolute favorite Marmont. You have that beautiful gold hardware. You also have the adjustable strap and everything like that. And this just goes with so many things. It's just so beautiful, so pretty. And this bag does get a little dirty, but I have not gotten any color transfer with this bag. And I wore this bag probably for about 2 months straight and didn't get any color transfer on it. And when I have gotten little spots and stuff on it, I just take a wet paper towel and just wipe it off, and I've been able to keep it very clean. I probably would never sell this Marmont. I really, really love it. I just think that it's so beautiful, so unique. You rarely see people with this one. I feel like this color bag right here is a staple to have in your collection because it can pretty much go with anything. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys one of my least worn bags, and it is my Fendi bag. This is my Fendi baguette shoulder bag, something of that nature. I did get this bag from Pochmark. It was only $300 and it was brand new. The person had never worn it. So I think that this was an excellent deal, and for that reason I would never sell this bag. Maybe I would give it away, but I wouldn't sell it if I no longer wanted it because I got it at such a good deal. I'm not a fan of shoulder bags only. I like crossbody bags, so that's why I don't wear this bag often. I may wear this bag once or twice a year, if that, but you get tons of room in here. I do have my eye on the Fendi baguette shoulder bag, crossbody bag. But yeah, this is definitely a gorgeous bag. It looks really, really good. Okay, so now let's move on to my Louis Vuitton bags. And my Gucci bags, I've been wearing those more than my Louis Vuitton bags because my Louis Vuitton bags are kind of bigger. And they are for like when I'm doing a lot and going a lot of places, which is mainly going to be in the spring and summer. But let's start off with my Neverfull. I literally use my Neverfull every day. So every day that I go to the store, go to my P.O. box or whatever, I use my Neverfull. I love this bag. I would never, ever get rid of this bag. It's perfect for bringing groceries up the stairs or, you know, packing lots of things in here. You don't have to be too concerned about it. You can pretty much kind of throw it around and everything like that. This Neverfull is a classic. I don't know how long I've had this bag at this point. I've used this bag nearly every day and it still looks excellent. Let me go ahead and show you guys the condition of it. And like I said, this bag has heavy wear. I use it all the time. And this bag still looks great. This is the newer version with the matte leather. This does not have the shiny leather. And it holds up well. Look at the bottom of it. But yeah, as you see, it still looks great. Excellent condition. Very hard wearing bag. If you're somebody that needs a bag that's going to be hard wearing and can kind of throw around if you need to, I would highly recommend this bag. Next up, we have my on-the-go tote. This is the on-the-go MM, and I do have the newer version with the black straps. This is one of my favorite Louis Vuitton bags. I don't see myself selling this bag. I bought this bag twice, so this is my second purchase of it. It's a beautiful bag. It's extremely versatile. You know, you can wear it as a shoulder bag. You can wear it as a tote. And I use this bag for like shopping trips in the mall or outlet shopping trips where I just want to throw bags in as I go. I don't like having a lot of bags in my hands. I'd rather just have this in the crook of my arm and throw my little shopping bags in here. So that's what I use this for. Also, if I'm going to like a doctor's appointment or something like that, I may use this bag to pack everything. I am getting ready to go on a trip, so I'm considering using this bag for that, but I'm not sure. A few people have had issues with their on-the-go, but I haven't had any issues with mine. Mine's is in perfect condition. I haven't gotten any bubbling or anything that other people may have experienced, so I got lucky with that. But yeah, this is an absolutely gorgeous bag. I don't see myself selling this bag. I will be keeping this bag. I can't wait to break it out again and start wearing this bag again. Okay, so next up we have my Louis Vuitton BumBag. This is one of my most worn bags. And I absolutely love this bum bag. It is perfect for running errands if you want to be hands-free. I did have the original bum bag with the Pochette leather, and I did sell that bag because I didn't want to deal with the Pochette leather. The whole strap was Pochette. I didn't want to deal with that. So I did go ahead and get the World Tour version. Mine just has this one little sticker on the back, so it's not something that I would get tired of or anything like that. I have worn this bum bag like crazy. As you see, it still looks wonderful. I did get this bag in August of 2020, so I'm not quite a year yet, but as you see, it still looks very good. I don't think that this is something I would ever sell, only because it's just perfect. There's the inside of it, that beautiful red inside, and you can fit quite a few things in here. So it's just a great bag. Of course, you know, you can wear it crossbody, you can wear it on your waist, you can wear it as a backpack. If you're somebody that's into bum bags, you need to add this bum bag to your collection, especially in this World Tour version, because you don't have to worry about anything. I've had this in the rain. You can pick it up and go, and it's just a very low maintenance bag. Aside from the straps on the go, this is the only Louis Vuitton bag in my collection where I have that black leather. I did sell my Neo Noe, and I did sell my Louis Vuitton Saintonge. So this is the only bag that I have in my collection that has that, you know, black and monogram look. So yeah, I would probably never sell this bag. Next up, we have the Speedy 25. This is another one of my least worn bags, but I'm never gonna get rid of this bag only because I've had a few Speedies and I've sold them, and then I always ended up still wanting a Speedy. So this bag right here, I use this bag for like doctor's appointments and things like that. This would be a good date night bag where you can just throw your essentials in and then still have room for, you know, something else. This is the newer version Speedy with the matte leather. It does not have the shiny leather. I think I've worn this bag twice since I got it a few months back. So of course it's going to be in excellent condition, but I think that, you know, it's good to have a Speedy in your collection. It's such a classic bag. It's a beautiful bag. It's a very hard wearing bag, so you really can't go wrong having this bag in your collection. And this size right here is not too big and not too small. Next up, we have a bag that I literally just started wearing last month, and I've started wearing this bag quite a bit, and this is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis, and I love this bag. It's absolutely gorgeous. It looks good with so many things. It only has a little bit of that Pochette leather, so, you know, this is not too much to deal with. You get this pocket on the back of the bag where you can put your phone in there. You're going to get tons of room in this bag. It's easy to get in and out of. And it's just a gorgeous bag, man. I really like this bag. And this bag right here is a staple, and it's important to my collection because it's my only Louis Vuitton crossbody monogram bag. So you have this beautiful monogram strap, of course, which is adjustable. And I just love this bag. It looks really good. I've not had any issues with the quality of mine. Of course, a lot of people have, but mine is in great condition, so I really can't say anything about that. It's pretty easy to get in and out of this bag, but I did struggle with that for a little while. But once you get the hang of it, you know, you're good to go. So last but not least, we have my most recent bag purchase, which I just did a video on this bag. I'll link that video on the info card. But this is my first YSL bag, and this is the YSL Toy LouLou Puffer bag. This is in the mini size. So yeah, this is something different from my collection. I think that this bag is absolutely gorgeous. It looks really good. It's that denim, and it has the flap. And it's pretty easy to get in and out of. I've not worn this bag out yet, but I do plan on wearing it out soon. Do get a nice amount of room with this bag. Again, you can fit the essentials, maybe a couple other things aside from the essentials. But this bag right here is really nice. And one thing that I said that I liked about it in my video is that it's structured, so it will stand up on its own and everything like that. Of course, with this type of bag, you will have to worry about it getting dirty, so you're gonna have to be extremely careful when eating things, or, you know, out to eat, or because that's what this bag would be for, like errands or running out to eat and things like that. You would have to be extremely careful not to get anything on that because this is denim, and you would have to be very careful with how you go about cleaning it and things like that. I did get it off of Nordstrom. It is currently sold out. I will put some links to some other bags that are similar to this bag. But yeah, I really like this bag. I can't say that this bag will stay in my collection forever, but it will stay in my collection for a while until I see something else that may be, you know, what I feel like be better, or whatever the case may be. I don't know. Okay guys, so yeah, that is my entire luxury bag collection. I do have my eye out on another bag, and of course if I do decide to purchase that bag, I will update my channel and, you know, come to you guys with a video and everything. But for right now, these are my bags. I wear all of my bags. I rotate them out. Besides the Speedy and the Fendi, I don't have any bags that just sit. So like I said, you can check the description bar to find any links to these bags. And of course, if you guys have any questions or comments, you can leave those below. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.